You're having dinner for a few friends at your house this evening and have been searching for that perfect pasta recipe to impress your friends. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with Sausage Ravioli Pomodoro Bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the Italian sausage. Let's make the pomodoro sauce. Pomodoro, translated into English, is tomato. Check out the food blog and other recipes at our website. Let's build the dish. Don't forget the mozzarella cheese. Set the timer for 40 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Ravioli was first seen in Genoa, Italy, also called Genova, during the 13th century. Some hungry sailors created the dish from leftover pasta and fillings. Ravioli was originally called pensati. That looks great right out of the oven. Garnish with chopped parsley. Let's get a portion of this sausage ravioli pomodoro bake on a plate. Don't forget the Parmesan cheese. Thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. This is what we all been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The pomodoro sauce is absolutely delicious, and paired with the Italian sausage along with the cheese ravioli creates an incredible pasta combination that is second to none. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, I could eat the whole plate. This pasta dish is definitely the right choice to serve your guests this evening. Your guests will be impressed and they will absolutely enjoy it. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found, of course, in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Your guests are headed to the table. And of course, the table looks amazing. This is a real feast. Stay with us. Watch the next video.